MLab friends! It's really dark. Max's house is experiencing a power outage. No idea how long it will last. It's making it hard for Max to study. Hey, why is the neighbor's house lit up? That's really weird. Max, go check it out first. Oh, it turns out that this house gets its electricity supply from a device called a generator. Do you know what a generator is? Generator is short for Generator Set. Namely, a machine or combined device consisting of a power generator or generator with a driving engine assembled into one to produce electrical energy by converting the chemical energy from fuel into electrical energy. In general, the way a generator works is that the engine will rotate a generator made of a set of copper. So when continuous rotation occurs at a stable speed, this will naturally produce an electric current. Well, the first electric generator was discovered by Michael Faraday in 1831, initially as electromagnetic induction, which then developed into the modern generator. My friend MLab, do you know where Max is right now? Yep, Max is at the State Palace in Jakarta. Well, at the State Palace, the residence of our president has a special generator. From the year 1982 until 2004, the Jakarta State Palace used a brake number generator 450 kVA brand MWM, which was then replaced by a short brake generator 750 kVA brand MTU in the year 2004. This generator works by utilizing petroleum, specifically diesel, as the fuel that drives the generator's engine, then rotates the flywheel and moves the generator. The electrical energy produced by the generator will be distributed throughout the State Palace. So even if all of Jakarta suddenly has a blackout, the light bulbs in the palace won't flicker at all, you know? This is because the State Palace generator has a part called the Electromotor, which functions to start the genset automatically in the event of a blackout. So don't worry. The President, we can continue to work to solve all the problems of this country and can rest comfortably in the palace because there will never be a power outage and the State Palace will always be brightly lit. Sahabat time-lapse. Oh yes! If you want to see the Genset X State Palace of Jakarta, come to Max's house at the Museum of Electricity and New Energy. Here, there is the original Genset X State Palace of Jakarta. So after the State Palace switched to using a new generator, the old generator was stored at the Museum of Electricity and New Energy. The size of the generator is huge. Time-lapse, friends! So, Max can't wait to show it to you in person. Max will take you around the museum later, okay? Max will be waiting for you. See?
Hey, friends of the Electricity Museum, did you know? The new PLN 4.0, unleashing energy and beyond.